Vegan recipes don't have to be your only source of inspiration for meal ideas. Once you get good at veganizing meals, you'll realize that inspiration is all around you. One place that you might not have thought of is the frozen dinner section of the grocery store. I'm going to take this source of inspiration one step further and introduce you to the idea of meal templates or formulas. To make sure we're on the same page, veganizing means to make a non-vegan meal vegan by substituting animal products with vegan options. Most frozen dinners are made up of formulas. The protein, vegetables, grain, and sauce formula is frequently used. You'll also see this variation where grains are substituted for pasta, protein, vegetables, pasta, and sauce. And sometimes you'll see protein, vegetables, and sauce. One thing remains constant, and that's the sauce. The sauce always makes the dish. Change the sauce, and you have a completely different meal. While you could easily just veganize one of these meals, you can also use the formula to create an infinite number of combinations. Let's look at the ingredients used in some of the meals that follow the protein, vegetables, grain, sauce formula. Let's replace the animal-based protein options with vegan protein options. And let's expand the list of vegetables and grains and sauces. Learning to see meals as formulas gives you an unlimited source of meal ideas. Theoretically, you could create thousands of combinations if you only selected one item from each column. If you want to learn more about how to substitute meat, check out this video.